my name is Sudhir Mutalik. I am from Nasik, and she's Jyotsna Mutalik. I am a co-founder of a company called Positive Metering Pumps India Private Limited. We were here in this property for last about 2 days, and we came here with a specific purpose. This was a business tour. We conducted an annual sales meet here. People from all the regions like Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune came to this place. We had a target analyzing activity and then brainstorming for 2 days with all our regional people. We had a very specific requirement. Being a corporate, we checked more than 4 properties. Being a leader of the organization, I have a very specific requirement about the location and ambience, for this meeting, because this is once in a year activity. It's not a kind of, it doesn't take place frequently, and it was like setting the tone. So it is a very important activity for us, wherein around 20 people from the close group were involved. And amongst these 4 properties that I checked in and around Nasik, this property attracted me a lot because it matched all my specifications. They have made arrangement of a beautiful meeting room, and the meeting room is 1 minute away from the rooms where my people have been staying, and half a minute away from the restaurant where we take lunch, working lunch or dinner or tea. Tea can be organized by them very quickly as and when required. Absolutely ergonomic design, which is very convenient, which is very much required when you organize professional programs. It should be, easy. And that is the khasiyat of this particular property. That is a unique selling proposition for this property. And it was so convenient for us that we very easily, flawlessly organized our program, thanks to this arrangement done by the staff members here and the management. When you go for such programs, the most important factor apart from your business is, of course, there are 2 important factors. The place where you get relaxed after doing your daily business. Amazing rooms, clean rooms, spacious rooms. They are wonderful rooms. My people really relaxed it. And the whole ambience of the property is so relaxing. We had 11 hours day yesterday because it was the first day. And after we finished the program, no one was tired. Everybody was relaxed and they had more or less the same amount of energy, because in between the breaks, people went around, saw the various facilities, saw the ambience. In the night also, after dinner and all, we had a round of the property. We gathered in one of the places. We had just jokes and chit chat and antakshari kind of thing. We really enjoyed it. We got up at 5:30, went out for a walk, and then started sharp at 9 o'clock, and then we finished at 6 o'clock. Amazing program and relaxing ambience around. This is one of the most important factors. And the next factor is, of course, food. Very important factor, and for which I request Jyotsna to share her comments.
Hello, I am Jyotsna. As Sudhir has already said, the ambience is very nice, and I will elaborate on 2 things about the food. First thing, the food. Usually what happens in such conferences and everywhere, food is, the menu may be same everywhere, but the taste is sometimes it becomes too oily and everything. The food here was awesome. Very nice food, very tasty food. It was really very good. I'm not saying because I'm on the camera, but it was really very nice, and each and every item was authentic, like idli, puri bhaji, all the items were very authentically and very tasty. So congratulations to the chef. Secondly, usually what happens is whenever such type of conferences, the venue and the lunch area or the wherever the food is served is either in the same hall, the same vicinity, or just outside, and then that space is not that clean also. But this the getting disconnected from the venue, means the main conference hall, and going to the restaurant, and the restaurant is very very good. The interiors are means everybody like the interiors, your the design, the pots, they were all very nice. So lampshades were also nice, simple and rustic, very very nice. So we like the venue and menu both. Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऐसा कभी हुआ है क्या कि मैंने लास्ट आई स्पेसिफिकली वांटेड टू मेंशन कि मैंने बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स में, इवन इन द साउथ रेस्टोरेंट्स, आई हैवंट टेस्टेड इडली एज डिलीशियस, इडली रॉ इडली एज डिलीशियस एज वी हैड इट हियर in the morning today. और आई एम वेरी मच हेल्थ कॉशियस, आई ईट वेरी लिटिल, बट ऐसा कभी ज़िंदगी में हुआ नहीं कि मैंने 5 ढोकला का पीस खाया. आज मैंने खाया. थैंक यू.